In this video, I'll show you how to share screen on Google Meet. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, if you look at this video now, I'm currently sharing my screen. So I'm going to end this one and I'm going to show you how you can be able to do that from your own end. So I'm going to end it now. So yeah, I just ended this meeting. So I'm going to just do this from the very beginning. So what I need to do now, so let's say, okay, if this comes out, click on this, click on Meet. So wait for it to load up. So this is it. It's currently here. So this is it. So click on new meeting. You can be able to see create a meeting later, start an instant meeting, or schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. So I'm going to click on the second option, start an instant meeting. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to turn off the camera. Okay, so right now this is what is going to come out once you click on it, and I currently just turned off my camera. So you're going to be able to see this share screen option. So click on it. So click on the entire screen, select this, click on share. So once you click on share, you're going to be able to share your screen here on Google Meet. So you can see it. So you can see everything. This was what we did previously when we started this video. This is basically how you can be able to share your screen on Google Meet. You can use this for educational tutorials. You can use this to talk with your team. You can use this to teach somebody something, like a whole lot of it. So if you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the very next video.